Let me show you an easy way to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. You can turn off autoplay videos for both Facebook Reels as well as Stories. I'll show you how to do both. Now open up the Facebook app if you're on an iPhone or Android, or you can go to facebook.com. Now we need to get to your settings to do this, so tap on Menu at the bottom right. It might be at the very top right. And then scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and Settings. Now that we're in your settings, you can turn off the autoplay for videos. This includes Facebook Reels, in addition to Stories, etc. You can turn off that autoplay only if you turn it on and want to manually play it. So let's scroll down, and to do this, we're going to find the media option midway down, and now you can see autoplay. It says when using cell data, you can switch this to Wi-Fi only if you just wanted to save some data, or you can disable this and switch it to never autoplay videos. I would also recommend turning off the Reels and Stories start with sound. This way you can manually turn the sound on and to start to play them, but it won't automatically do that.